I like trains.
Hello everyone, we are here at Old Mill Bottom Road. We got M411 heading westbound. Alright, that was a decent lash up. Dash 8 and a GP38-3. Now we look for the rolling stock. What? Oh. Man, hopefully there's something. Yeah, shout out to David for giving us the light tonight. I'm just looking for fallen flags, and I'm not seeing any. Got some loaded tankers. M411 heading west on the old Main to Cumberland. Gondolas. Ooh, that looks very old. That was not indicative of any fallen flag. Coal hoppers. Come on. You seriously tell me there's not even family lines? Come on, CSX, up your game up. No. I have a feeling we've got a dud. Now he's finally speeding up. Oh, Big Bird. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see that. That was the Big Bird car. That was the Big Bird car. If only Lucas was here. The Western Maryland guy. Maryland Midland cars. I completely missed Big Bird. I can't believe that. There's the end. M411. Thank you all for watching, and here from Old Mill Bottom Road crossing of the Old Main Line with CSX Excavator. It's the Old Main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.